Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about the 6-month blockchain learning path in which I will be sharing with you the 6-month plan so that you can learn the blockchain. So this is not the roadmap or the path that I have just googled it. Instead what I did is that I watched one of the videos of the Harkirat Singh in which he presented the whole roadmap of the blockchain, and what I did is that I took the content and put it in a nice way in this in a document, and I will be sharing that document with you also so that you can learn it. And in this way I designed it in such a way so that you can learn it day by day, and I put it all in a proper way. So basically let me just show you this paper. So this is the what you can say few pages. Like if I showed you, like this is a 7 to 8 pages of the learning path, like 6-month learning path. If I show you, like you can learn it. The first thing is the basics of blockchain, like what are the introduction of blockchain, what are the decentralization, RPCs, gas, transactions, public and private keys, and after that what are the tokens and non-fungible tokens. This is the first week plan that you can go on, and after that you can see here that I put the cross sign here, that if you have completed the task you can click on this and cross it. And after that, the next week, on the second week, you can learn the basic cryptography, signing messages using private keys, DevNet or Manet environments, understand the difference between DevNet and Manet environments. So these are some of the terms that I am also not familiar with. Basically, I am on the first week and I'm trying to give it more time in order to learn them. And block explorers hands-on, after that you can create an application. I'm basically a backend developer, so I will prefer more to create an application in the CLI instead of working on the front end side. So I just created it for myself, that create a command line interface wallet, generate private or public keys. And after that, the next week is that's the basics of wallets, like how you can learn about the wallets, why do you need the wallets, get comfortable with an existing wallet, and learn about how wallets secure our private key, begin to explore how wallets connect to remote procedure calls. So this is the remote procedure call that we discussed in the first week also, that you just need to be aware of this, and now you are implementing it. Focus on how to show token balances and NFT balances within a crypto wallet. Get an overview of how a wallet interacts with these decentralized applications. So this is the third week, and now the fourth week is basically the understanding the difference between signing messages and signing transaction. Learning about the common derivation path used in crypto wallets. Start building a CLI app that allows you to create crypto wallets, and make an application to create a functionality to impersonate the wallets you created. Review the concepts learned so far, and after that continue development of your application. That is basically the wallet application, right? The next section is basically the fifth week, is basically the DApps or decentralized applications and the transaction. Understand the basics of blockchain, create a portfolio or airdrop tracker, and after that continue up airdrop tracker, and after that learn the commonly done transaction on the chain, like send, swap, or smart contract interactions. These are all the day by day things that you can check a look at them, like on every day you need to be focusing on them, right? And after that, the next step is the solidity and smart contracts, that what are smart contracts and how you can write it. And after that, the solidity syntax and data model on Ethereum. And what you can say, local development, Remix, Truffle, Ganache, or Foundry. These are all the comparison between them. And the next week is bytecode, ABIs, EVM, write contracts, and there are multiple things like create ERC20, extend ERCC 721, write an escrow contract, create a restricted NFT mint. So currently I'm also learning this, so this is not something that I'm familiar with, but I'm just trying to show you that these are the things that Arkirat has discussed in his video. And basically he he just gave me a roadmap, and what I did is that I basically put all the content, the transcription of that, and I prepared it in such a way so that it can be delivered to your people, to you people also, so that if anyone who is not able to afford the Arkirat cohort, he can still get the what you can say curriculum in a nice proper format so that he can learn it. Right? Create a React project or any kind of project that you are familiar with Web3 sign-in. Learn about the adapters connecting to dApps, create a Web2 backend with verification using Python or Node.js, focus on the CLI for NFT mining, minting with an allow list, develop the CLI for escrow content, and after that review and test your dApp. After, the next thing is the Solana and Rust smart contracts. So this is all about the Rust bootcamp that you can watch the videos of Arkirat also. There are a bunch of content also. Learn about Solana and the Solana CLI, and after that on the next week is that understand the data model in Solana, PDAs, and how PDAs are used in action, create an escrow account, and learn about attaching metadata to tokens and NFTs. So I'm just going through, not in detail, instead I'm just showing you some of the points here. Develop the smart contract using Solidity, and what you can say, you can also connect the smart contract with the Web3.js or any other framework. Web3.js is basically used mostly in the Web3, so you need to make sure to learn about it if you are a front-end developer and you want to learn more about it. Indexing blockchain, and learn about the blockchain indexing and how explore different blockchain indexing tools and protocols like Graph, Etherscan, Dune Analytics, GraphQL API. GraphQL is a query language that allows us to request specific data from an API that is also used in Web3. So yeah, you need to also learn about it. And yeah, so after that you need to make a website that could be an exchange website from which you will learn a lot. So yeah, this is all much about it of the 6-month plan. So don't worry about it even if you are not following the path properly. I just mentioned the day here, that on this day you need to learn this, on that day you need to learn this, but you can adjust it based on your date, that what you want on this date, or even if you skipped one of the day, then no worry about it, but you need to be consistent about it. So yeah, I will be sharing these pages with you. If you want to, you can just give me the email address in the comment section below, or if you want to, you can download it on my Discord server. The Discord server is by the name of Romer. I will be giving the link of the Romer in the bio. Sorry, not in the bio, but in the description, that you can check this out. And I will be sharing the what you can say, this plan for free. You can check this out and learn from it. I'm getting requests from many people to learn this Web3 and how to follow the roadmap. So this is a proper roadmap, not just from me, but from a person who is really an experienced person. So you can take a look at this and learn from it. And yeah, I'm also learning from it, and we can share the journey on Twitter or LinkedIn so that we can interact with each other, or we can talk in our Discord server about this progress. So yeah, it will be really awesome, and we will be having fun learning this new technology. And at the end, our goal is to get into this and explore more into it. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.